Alternator Man here. We're looking at the plug-in for the C900. C900. This plug-in goes into Nip and Denso alternators like a Mitsubishi. Here's a voltage regulator for it. You can tell it's the one you need because it's got the spade terminals. They're shaped like a T. It's set up like a T. And this is the C900 plug. These things have a big tendency to break up. They'll break all the time. It's a very popular plug. It's the C900 on our website. Check the link below in the description. It'll give you a direct link right to that product for the C900 plug for a Nip and Denso or Denso type alternator.